First, it is important for us to know that what is that deal about? And a dealing or a bargain is normally done in giving and taking. And what is the medium? Money. But the thing is that the real money is our time. So the real deal can be there only when we utilize our time to the fullest and for the most important work at hand. If we do not use our time that way and we are wasting it, that means we are not doing the real deal. So, what are you doing of your time? If you are wasting it, that means you have not valued it perfectly. If you value your time, then nobody has to tell you to use it fully. You will yourself use it. So, to stop the wastage of the time, it is important for us to understand at what things or which things we are utilizing it upon. The main thing which is especially mistaken, the time is used wrongly on different actions. See, there is a time for sleeping and for doing any action, for eating food, this and that. So many actions we have to perform in our daily life. And if we know when to do all those actions, then the utilization of the time is quite good. Secondly, the most important use of the time can be to know the reality of ourselves. Who are we? Or who am I? This is the biggest question which is there always in your life. Until you start your journey to get the answer of this question, you cannot use your time to the fullest. So, this is the most important use of the time which can ever be done by anybody. So now, decide it for yourself. What are you doing with your time? Are you wasting it, or you are using it for the final destination, which is there always, not only for me, for you, and for everybody. The destination is always the same, but the time for starting that journey to reach that goal or the destination can differ person to person. But the requirement is always the same there. So now it is up to you when you are going to start it. As far as my advice, it is always there. The requirement is always there. It should be started. The time which is invested in other things in your life, that was only for your regular activities which could help your body to be alive and to help you. This body is given to you to make the best of your life. But apart from it, its deserving destination should be acquired. We have different things, and if they are used for their particular utility, then the intention is fulfilled. But if we are not having that utility for any object or anything which we have, then it becomes just a waste. In the same manner, you have this body as a gift from this universe, and I don't see anything more complicated and the most usable machine, this body. So use your time, invest your time in getting your final destination. That is another topic, that the destination is actually into us. That journey is not outside, but that is inside. Use your time to the fullest. This is the true deal. This is the real bargain which you can do with this time, which is money for you. There is no other money. All, that money which you have, the currency or the coins you have, that is just for bargaining or for taking or giving things to one another. That is only till that. Money gives power to expand, but the real money is the time.
Sat Sahib, may God bless us.